Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel again and again and again. Ayun nga, 'di ba? Yesterday may Honkai Star Rail tayong inattended na live stream concert. And tuloy-tuloy na 'to. So mga 1 hour lang siguro ng tulog ko. Then nag-prepare na ako for this run, the takbo para sa kalikasan 2025, the Fire Run Edition. Wow. And of course, syempre, since panataran natin ang takbo para sa kalikasan, we have to run. And of course, alam nyo naman ako, the longer the distance, the better. And 16 km with 1 hour sleep. And actually, nakapag-prepare naman ako. Pero yun nga, yung 1 hour sleep, hindi. So let's try and conquer this race with the lack of sleep. And with 2 bottles of Cobra and 1 cup of coffee. Kaya ba paano nakapag-ano naman tayo? And hopefully, matapos naman natin with a good time. Hindi ako maasa ng yung mabreak ko yung PR ko kasi talagang, let's face it, I lack sleep. With my previous experience with the lack of sleep, running is really difficult. And ayun nga, ano natin si Pocari Sweat. Kahit may Pocari Sweat, I don't think I can do this. Pero sige, try natin as much as possible na kung ano kaya na lang natin gawin with the time. 7:30 naman yung cut-off time. 7:30 AM kasi nagkaroon ng, I think, ng delay according to the organizers. Buti naman, nag-update sila na the usual gun start is 4 AM with assembly time 3 AM. And the cutoff time is 7 o'clock. But since na-delay siya for 30 minutes, so 4:30 ang gun start natin and 7:30 ang ating cutoff time. So technically around 4:30 medyo pa ano na yan, hindi naman sa pagano, is painit na yan, lalo na with this summer heat. Sorry, not summer but tag-init heat. Alam mo na, tag-init pa rin dito sa Pilipinas. And ay nako, so literal fire run. And buti naman na they will provide some heat, ano naman, like there's fire truck who will be spraying out water. Kung ano, if ever madaanan ko yun, I'll definitely papa-shower ako kasi ang bilis ko mag-heat up talaga when I run. So, kailangan ko talaga ng hydration. Hindi lang hydration inom, kundi hydration wisik. So anyways, let's see what we can do here and hopefully make a good time. Kasi yun lang talaga yung worry ko for now.
Yes, this is the first year's edition Takbo para sa Kalikasan Fire Run. It's going to be half season already, and of course, napakakiya naman nagawa doon. But alright, but of course,
okay guys, update. Pinalabas kami kanina ng event venue sa loob ng Race Village. Ewan ko ano nangyari, for security daw. And of course, ayun, kababalik lang namin. Hindi ako nakapag-update kasi nag-save ako ng battery. So, ayun, pinabalik na ulit kami for the ano na. And magsa-start na rin kami ng program. And of course, yung gun start na rin.
all the runners must listen very carefully.
As we ask you to go actually outside, it is for the safety of everyone. So nag-check lang po tayo surrounding area. And of course, included some barricades, okay, sa likod. Para po, sigurado po tayong safe ang lahat mamaya. And of course, kanina, sinabi ko rin, na hindi tayo magpro-provide ng paper cups. Okay? Ng paper cups.
Paper and plastic cups.
Yes, sa
Yes.
ating water station at Pocari Sweat Station. So please make sure that if you didn't bring any, you can buy a perfect fit, okay, for your running essentials para po mamaya safe na safe po ang ating pag...
Irish, good morning everyone! Sinong gusto ng 1,000? Lapit dito. Okay, I just want to say thank you guys for supporting the first element series of Takbo para sa Kalikasan, and we wanted to inform you that we have 1,100 participants for 16-kilometer runners. And to the total of 4,700 runners po tayo for our first element series of Takbo para sa Kalikasan. Palakpakan naman natin kasi grabe yung support na binibigay niyo sa Takbo para sa Kalikasan. Of course, we would like to thank you to our sponsors, corporate partners, for making the event of the Takbo para sa Kalikasan success. Special thanks also to our ambassadors, nandito po siya, ang mga influencers, pacers who will help you to achieve your target time. And we wanted to welcome also our celebrity runners. Later, makikilala niyo po kung sino yung mga celebrity runners natin, who will be running 16K also, guys. So please, respect po natin yung kanilang target time. So, maging friendly and let's just happy and run safe, and ayun lang po. And we are here to announce that a portion of the proceeds will benefit Climate Foundation as part of our sustainability initiative. Mamaya po may papakita kaming konting short video lang for your reference as part ng ating plans. And meron din tayong environmental stewardship that later on in partnership with our firefighters as part of our fire run. And we have saved some portion dun sa ating disaster program preparedness para hindi lang din tayo sa sustainability. We need to say balance po tayo. That in case that there is a disaster like typhoon, magkakaroon po tayo ng donation to the families affected. No? Thank you po sa lahat kasi without you guys, hindi po natin magagawa to. Palakpakan niyo po yung sarili natin. Thank you again for lacing up and stay fit, stay safe, and enjoy the run. Let's take a moment to watch a short video showcasing our foundation's commitment to climate solution. Maraming salamat po ulit. Thank you.
Happy run mga summer.
Hi runners, my name is VJ Hinato from the Climate Foundation. Our planet is not doing too well. For one, our oceans are getting warmer. And warmer oceans don't only lead to more intense typhoons, but it also affects aquatic life, like seaweeds, corals, and our fish populations. All very important to the Philippines and us Filipinos. In the Climate Foundation, we've come up with a solution. It's called marine permaculture. You can learn more about it on our website, climatefoundation.org. You should also know that Green Media is making a donation on your behalf to the Climate Foundation to help you help the planet. Thank you for that and enjoy your run.
Ayan, so next is actually tree planting that happened in Tanay.
Rio from Apalit Run Club. I'm one of the registered bundle participants of Takbo para sa Kalikasan.
Ako si Fire Inspector Nilet Lanya Pagdatingan, Municipal Fire Marshal ng Apalit Fire Station. Bilang pagsilibra ng Prevention Month 2025, kami po ay nag-organize ng tree planting at kasama po namin ang Green Media Events Company.
So this is just a sustainability and environmental stewardship
Safe Fund for Disaster Program Preparedness and Community Development of Green Media Events and Takbo para sa Kalikasan.
Ayan. So this is what's happening to your registration, no? Hindi lang po siya napupunta sa wala, pero marami pong activities na ginagawa sa
Yes.
Green Media Events to save our environment.
Well, first of all, thank you very much, no? Eco Warriors. Why? Why Eco Warriors? Of course, for supporting this advocacy, no? Not only this Pandan event, but Takbo para sa Kalikasan, it has a special place in my heart. Na once matapos yung pagiging ambassadorship ko, still I will participate and support green media events, Takbo para sa Kalikasan. Tayo lahat, ganun gagawin natin, ha? Okay, of course.
Our number is 16325. 16325. Lapit po, lapit. 16331. Ayan po siya, nasa gilid.
A few moments later.
It's an honor. I have my friends who's running with us tonight. Also, today, gabi pa kasi. Today also, syempre kasama rin natin si Kim Chu and Paolo Abilino. Tatakbo sila with us today. And hopefully po, sa mga 16K runners natin and all the runners that's here today, makapag-register po kayo sa aming booth. Meron po kaming Lights Camera Run booth dito para makasama po namin kayo. Next week na actually, May 11, next week, magkakaroon din po tayo ng fun run para sa pelikulang Pilipino. So maraming salamat po. Inaasahan po namin ang inyong suporta at good luck sa ating lahat na tatakbo ng 16K. Let's go! Hindi pa ako ganun kapalong-palo tumakbo pero hopefully siguro less than 2 hours definitely.
Guys, you heard it. Less than 2
Less than 2
hours.
hours.
Kung gusto nyong sumabay kay Alden, sabayan nyo siya mamaya.
By the way, wait lang. So, they have a target, parang they have a personal best that they want to target today. So, if you want to have your pictures taken, please after na lang ng race.
After ng race, yes.
Let's respect their target time, okay, and their personal best na target. Okay ba yun?
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Eventually.
Ay, kalimutan ko na mag-update. First ano na ako, half na. So ano po yung, nahulog pa yung cellphone ko. Diba?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hello guys. Hindi ko na kaya. Puyat pa. Hongkay pa. Kakahongkay mo kasi yan. Ayan tuloy. Wala ka ng energy kasi hindi ka nakatulog ng maayos. Good luck. Konti na lang guys. Ayan. Nagbasa ulit tayo. Mas malamig pa yung tubig ng hydration kaysa dun sa bumbero. Parang pinakaloon yung tubig. Diyos ko. Almost there, bitch. Come on. Puyat pa more. $155, come on. Habulin na natin. $155. Habol. Habol, Sam. $155. $155. Yes! Ah! 155! Bitch! 60! Hello! Kasi puyat pa ako neto, bitch! Puyat! Hongkay Star Rail pa! Inang yan! So yun guys, kuha ko na rin yung aking finisher shirt. Ayan. Hindi na ako masyado naglibot sa mga booths kasi medyo pila na yung iba. And pumunta ako dun sa booth ng Lights Camera Run, yung takbo para sa pelikulang Pilipino, organized by Mall Fund. Ayun, so within this day daw ang ng race kit. So hintayin na lang natin. So anyways guys, medyo lesson learned. Huwag ka tatakbo na puyat ka na hindi talaga maganda. Ay, ako hirap na hirap ako. Hirap na hirap ako tumakbo. Diyos ko, hindi ko na alam kung itatakbo ko pa ba, ilalakad ko na lang. Ayun. So anyways, di ko na nga halos may angat yung kamay ko. Dahil sa sobrang Anyways guys, that's it. The turnout of this event is good. Maraming mas marami ngayon yung nag long distance sa 16. Hindi ko inaasahan yon. Ayun, kasi dati medyo onti lang sumasali sa longer distance, mostly nga 10 or 5 lang. Ayun, so mas marami na yun nga nasa running era ngayon. So that's it for today's video at sobrang pagod na ako. Feeling ko malalaglag na tong phone na to. Anyways, see you guys on the next. Bye!